So hey guys, welcome back in my new video. In today's video we will seeing a new agent which is Hermes Agent. Okay, so this agent is awesome based on its memory power. It can recall again and again, and it is like a full backpack. Okay, it's like a bag which with lots of free slots in which you can fill different things. Okay, so like how to install it in Linux full steps, you can just get it from Gemini, but the original steps will include various options which you need to fill it accordingly, as I have given the command and it's installing. So if you are new in this channel, please like and subscribe. This here it's my channel. Okay, so like you can get various AI related videos and cybersecurity related content, and how you can merge AI with cybersecurity and various tools regarding AI and cybersecurity too. Okay, so you will be getting updated about everything related to AI and cybersecurity in this channel. So please, if you are new in this channel, then like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting the updates about every new video in this channel. Okay, so here our tool is getting ready. It's now installing the dependencies, Unicode and all. You can see that other dependencies are also there. You can use this tool overall for like everything. OpenClaw is also there, but it is much more better in the scenario purpose than OpenClaw. Okay, like it has various features. Here you can see like the options are there. Like if you choose OpenAI, here I have chosen various models are listed, so I have chosen OpenAI. Then you can like go there in the link, and then you need to open and turn on your codecs. Okay, but here I am facing one problem, like the codecs is turned on, still it's not running the model in my terminal. Okay, the Hermes agent is not supporting it. Okay, as I turned it here, okay, on, as you can see I have turned on, then I will go back and check it in the like it's not verified and it's not working. So why it's happening, I don't know. If you have any solution, then write it in comment. And if I run my new agent here, Hermes agent, you can see the overall structure and view. It's look awesome, the symbol is great. If you will run it like this, it will not work. Okay, now we will be like I'm installing a local model from Olama. So for doing it, you can just get open code. What is open code? There is video in description. You will also see the video in I button. Okay, you can just click there and you can go and check what is open code. You will just give the instruction to open code to install Olama and model, local model for your laptop or for your desktop. Okay, it will install accordingly. See, it's installing. I am just seeing, I am not writing any command and everything. Okay, so it's going on automated. Okay, just I have given allow purpose for doing it. If it's asked for password, then you can give there. Okay, so OpenCode is also a great tool. Here it's installing and checking if it's working, like the local model can support our new Hermes agent or not. Okay, so it will work locally and it will be very much secure. Okay, so here I am getting one problem which will auto fixed by OpenCode only. It is also great thing here, and it is fixing it and again installing the local model. Okay, so it will be installed here, and then we will check with the local model how it's working. Okay, so this will be like a 3 billion parameter model. If you didn't give any type of name to the model which you want, a local model, it will install like Cohen, a 3 billion parameter model, or any other model which will be less and which will support your system. Mistral is also there, which will be a 7 billion parameter model. Okay, so it will check, and it will, as per your device configuration, as per your RAM and GPU, it will install a local model. Okay, so here it's given the steps here, like how you can do it and set up the local model manually if you want. Okay, so here I will run Hermes again. By typing Hermes, it will open Hermes. So here you can see a new Hermes 3 billion parameter model has been installed, because I have given the command there to install something related to Claude, but it didn't get Claude there, so it's installed Hermes 3 billion parameter model. Okay, so it's working. It's a large language model. You can see that assists you with different things here, as this model is great, but it's very slow. So we are just going for something new, like if we go in OpenRouter, or we can just choose Anthropic, like that. Okay, so if I choose Anthropic, then here you need something like subscription. Okay, then API key. So for that you need to buy the API key here, okay, for OpenCloud. So like it's important. You can also get free API keys, but I will not recommend that, okay. So this is also not good here. So what to do now? Let's check another model. So there are lots of model present here in Hermes. You can choose accordingly, and you can just click the Hermes model. I type there and you can just get that, okay. See, if I paste this API key here, and like it will list all types of model which are free and open source, okay. So like here I got a Claude Opus 4.7, but it will not work because it is like I don't have the API key for that particular model, okay. I've just chosen it there. If I ran and I give something like hi, I write there using Hermes Agent, it will fall back and it will call that API is failed because it is not there with me. Just upper UI is just taken and I am just using it, okay. There are lots of model you can choose. You can go in again in OpenRouter or Anthropic and you can choose accordingly, but here if I choose Anthropic or Google Gemini, okay, here I'm choosing Gemini, okay. So it will open automatically and you will sign in accordingly with your Google Gemini account, okay. You have to sign in, and then after that you will be choosing the model as per your choice. It will give around Gemini 2.5 Pro. So it will also not work. I don't know why it's not working, okay. So it's here not working again and its API call is failed. So why it's happening, guys? If you are facing this problem, just comment and you also check it and tell me if I am going or doing something wrong, okay. So it is like I am also using it first time and making the video, okay. So here this is the repository of Hermes Agent accordingly. So you can say check here the how to get started with the model. Here you can check. If you write Hermes model, it will list all models. If you write Hermes setup, it will auto setup with quick setup is also there. So let's try. If I write Hermes quick setup or something like setup, okay, so what will happen? Let's see. If I write Hermes setup and then like here, if I write Hermes setup and then I hit enter, then you can see there is quick setup, full setup and model and provider, everything, the options are there. You can choose accordingly, but we will go here with the full setup, okay. So if I go here with full setup, you can see again the same select provider and different models are there, okay. So what we can choose now, we can go with OpenRouter again, and there if we go like here, you can see something like a lots of model, but here if I go downward, there is something like free models, 3 free models which are from OpenRouter, okay. So like if I choose something like here, if I choose a Neuron or NVIDIA Nemotrop, a model is there which is a 120B billion parameter model, much more great than any other model. Locally it will run, it will not locally, it will use this particular model. It is API free and it will like run perfectly. See here, if I write hi, I am using that NVIDIA model only, okay. It is great. And if I write here scan my network or get my IP, it will ask for the allowance. If you give allow or confirm, then it will scan overall the IP and it will give you the IP here, okay. And if I choose here something like here, if I get slash clear slash background agents config, if I give slash, okay, forward slash, and then you can check something what options are present and you can use it. If I write here slash clear, then it will clear the screen, okay. And if I just like here, you can see it's working great and overall the things are covered. So overall I have covered the whole thing about Hermes Agent, how to use it, how to get the things done, and overall the things are working great, okay. It also given the OS type. Now this documentation is very important here in GitHub repository. You can just check the memory part. Memory percentage much more better in memory persistent in Hermes Agent is much more better than any other agent. It recalls and keep every memory permanent and store that, okay. It is not a volatile part. If you will run it again, it will store something in the constant chat. It has something a great thing, okay. So messaging gateway is also there. You can connect it with Telegram, WhatsApp, Twitch, or something like Discord also. Okay, so you can just check it, and you can do it manually. If you want, just comment, I will make another video how to connect it with messaging gateways. Okay, then here it is like architecture. Here you can check the overall architecture, how it is made, and how Docker is used here for everything, and different architecture based on the model, how it works. Okay, so you will get a better broader landscape view of how it's working. Okay, so overall I have covered everything about go through for this Hermes agent. You can get a better idea now. Okay, so hopefully you like this video. Meet you in another video. Till then, bye.